Hi, welcome back and welcome if you're new. So as you can see, I got some Happy Meal today from Hubman and Chubgirl, and let's take a look at it. So you always get this little thank you card. It's very cute, has the gold metallics, just to thank you for your order. And then I actually got a freebie. It's been a long time since I qualified for a freebie. The current one is coffee, I believe, but this one was a lemonade theme. So I believe this is a little bag, you know, for shopping, and it's wrapped up so you can keep it in your handbag. Yep, and the lemonade theme. It's quite a good size. It says, if life gives you lemons, make lemonade. It has all the citrus fruits. Sorry, it's kind of impossible to fit all in the one shot. That feels really good quality. I think I'm going to wrap that back up and put it in my work bag. And then this is another part of the freebie. It's little sticky tabs. I probably wouldn't use these as sticky tabs. I recently did a lemonade theme, actually, from the Hubman and Chubgirl range in my planner. And I would have probably used this as extra, like quarter boxes. You know, just stuck it down with glue. But you don't have to do that. The glue comes to about halfway. I think that's the same for each of them. Very good. So you get a little one with a lemonade stand in the corner, one with all the drinks, another different type with drinks, and it looks like a grapefruit, I think. And then this one is like the top of the lemonade stand. Here then as well, we have a little free notebook. This probably wouldn't be for me because I'm not a fan of Waro binding, but the pattern's dead cute with all the little drinks. I'll probably gift it to one of my nieces or something and they will love it. And it's like a dotted line. We'll start with a travel collection. They actually have it on their site at the minute. A really cute, it looks like a suitcase. Now, they had it as a pre-order. I'm saying it's on their site. I'm not sure if it's actually for sale still. I'll take a look and put it up there for you. But even if the actual box still isn't for sale, you can still buy all the individual items in it and pick and choose, and that's what I did. I bought individual items. Right, so let's start with the stickers. So I got some smaller size stickers here. Their packaging, if you saw that box there, and you know their little thank you card, and then you get with their stickers like little envelopes like this, and it's all such good quality. If you wanted, you could cut this out and make a bookmark with it, or you can get all sorts of crafty with it. You could even frame this in like a 5x7 frame. So we have Let's Catch a Flight. We have little airplanes, plane tickets, and this says arrivals, departures, and then this is like a little signpost: New York, Hong Kong, Paris, Tokyo, London, Milan. And then we have some passports. These passports have tickets inside, and these ones are just passports, and then some more aeroplanes. And I love, even though I say this is new, I love the fact that she keeps her travel range coordinated, because I have previous travel ranges. I think she has 2 before this, and other washies and stuff, but they all match of that. I think that's brilliant. Anyway, right, so we have let's plan a trip. So we have itinerary. So if you were doing it in advance, you could write out your itinerary if you're setting out a travel journal from the perspective of planning your trip. And then you have a little map and a world, and then that says travel day. This is a little countdown. 5 more days. 4, 3, 2, 1. Must see, must eat, must see. And then some globes and maps. And then we have pack your bags. So we have packing list. I am a terrible packer. I leave it to the last minute. And even though I am a planner, that might surprise you, but I'm so bad at it. And then we have suitcases and some more suitcases, but they're on the little trolley. Different types of suitcases here. How many times can you say suitcases? And then one that's opened with all the stuff out of it. And I got 2 of them. No, 3 of them. And then we have best trip ever. So that'll be really fun to put beside little photo. And then this one is of a camera. And then we have Let's Explore, another camera, and then this one says Let's Make Memories with a bunch of Polaroids. And I got 2 of them. Then, in this bigger one, love these because you fill up more space with them. So it's the same as the Let's Catch a Flight here, only it's a little bigger, and as an extra as well you get like 3 little windows to make it look like the windows of an aeroplane. How cute is that? Then we have, actually suitcases come in it too, so it's not quite the same because they're on the Pack Your Bags sticker. If you can see, that's the bigger version of them, so you get extra. Then we have, again, Let's Catch a Flight. And then finally, Let's Make Memories. So we have Best Trip Ever and the camera and the map. And then the little signs and world and Let's Make Memories, etc. And that's a different one. That's On to the Next Adventure. That's cute. And then I got a Hubamn kit. And it's like a special one that's in the standard size. It's got metallics in it and only has 2 sheets. We'll take a look at the Hubamn first. This is sheet 1. And then sheet 2. And then sheet 3. And the way you would get the little doodle banners in a Hubamn cousin kit, this one actually says itinerary to do, to pack, must see, must do, flight info, must eat, and packing list. Lovely. So that's that kit. And then let's look at the fancy one. And it is the Let's Travel mini planner kit. And it has gold foiling on it. Isn't that gorgeous? This is boarding now, next adventure. And that's actually case cut to look like a ticket. It's just so stunning. And then the second one has to pack, to do, a weekend banner, itinerary, and all these sort of special half boxes and stuff. This one again is cut to look like a ticket, this little label here. See the way it's cut like that? Gorgeous. Right, next I got 2 packets of these, and I have the previous die cuts, but this is a pack of 5 limited edition vinyl die cuts. So we get a camera, a globe, aeroplane, passport, and a suitcase. So let's swatch these. So we have Around the World. So that is a very pale blue, and the earth pattern, like the land, is white. And then we have little airplanes with the trail and like little location points, and they're all gold foil. That's a 15mm. And then this one is called On to the Next Adventure, and it is a 10mm. It has a blue background with white doodles and all the different travel doodles. And then it has a location point with a heart in the centre, and it says jet setting, on to the next adventure, pack your bags, travel the world, it's an adventure, and let's explore the world. That is all the stuff I got in the travel range. So then the vault was opened recently, and that is where she does like special collections that are only open for limited periods, and there was lots of new stuff added to all the different ranges. So I got some more stuff in the Harry Potter range, but you can get Winnie the Pooh and Toy Story, Star Wars. I can't think of anything else off the top of my head, but there's loads of different kinds, not just Harry Potter. So let me show you. I got some more of these die cuts that I've already had before, and then I got the new thing, which was the cousin kits in all the different houses. So I'll open these first and show you. This is die cuts, but there isn't just 5 in this. There's like one for lots of different characters. There's 10. And I've bought this before, like I said, but I'm obsessed with this collection, and I might actually gift some of these. My younger sister's obsessed with Harry Potter. So we have Professor McGonagall, Luna Lovegood, my 2 favourite characters, Draco Malfoy, Voldemort, Snape, Hagrid, Professor Dumbledore, Hermione, Harry, and Ron. Aren't they so cute? So we have House of Lion, which is Gryffindor. Really cute. And then that's the second sheet. And that's the third. Anyway, yes, so this is my house, House of Badger. Hufflepuff. Sheet 2. And sheet 3. House of Eagle. Sheet 1. Sheet 2. And then 3 for Ravenclaw. And then House of Serpent. It's just Slytherin. Sheet 1, 2, 3. So, add them into the collection. Anyway, right, so then I got some stickers, 2 larger sheets and a bunch of little smaller ones just for my general planner collection rather than particular themes. So let's take a look at these. So because I've been going through all my reading stickers like that, I've been doing a lot of reading recently, I decided to have a look and get some more stickers, and I found these, Books Tracker. And these are really cute. I love the fact that it has a little space to write write in what you read. I keep getting tongue twisted. So this is Books Tracker, and I got 3 of these. And then I've had this one before, Reading/Books. I use this for reading, but I also use it for when I have a journaling session or a planning session. I love the colours. And then Nail Appointment. I was running very low on these. I got some more. And then these 2, Laundry. And we have the little washing machine, and then it's like folded laundry, pile of laundry that's really smelly, and then a pile of laundry that's the worst. And I got 2 of them. And then this is a newer one to me. It's Cleaning Day, and it has a bunch of cleaning supplies. And I got 2 of them. And then again, this is a new one. I actually think this is new to the site, although don't quote me on that. This is Cleaning Day, and it's for those days, like look at her face, like going for it. When you really have an all-out cleaning session. It's dead cute. And I got 2 of them. And then clean bedding. I used to have stickers that I used for when I changed my bedding, and then since then I've just used it as part of the washing, but I thought it would be fun to have a way to mark specifically changing the sheets. She looks way too happy to be changing her bed sheets. My word, I hate putting duvet covers on. Oh, it drives me insane. Anyway, Tidy Up/Organize. Just a different way of marking cleaning. Or if you're decluttering or something with a little pile of boxes, or organising. When I eventually get around to organising my new pantry, I'll be using those. And then Kitty, to add to my mood section whenever you're just really, really happy. Like you've got Happy Meal. And then last but not least, I got these 2. I have the kit in the sunflower range. Sunflower Critters, I think it's called. And I decided to get 2 sheets, so whenever I use the kit, you'll see me be able to use these alongside of it, because I love having doodles rather than just the kit. So I got Sunny Sunflowers, but these could be used, don't have to use them necessarily with the kit. They can just be used in a journal or any planner that's summery. Love sunflowers. And then this one is Ladybugs and Snails. Cute. And that is my little Hubman and Chubgirl haul. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you enjoyed hanging out. And I will see you again really soon. And until then, take care. Bye.
Is there a place with sun all year round and pina coladas with pretty faces and sand on the ground?